Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about operators. We have arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity and membership operators, and bitwise operators. So let's start with arithmetic operators. As for the definition, arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations. As you can see on the screen, we have these 7 arithmetic operators, out of which addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which I am quite sure that you all are quite familiar with. The ones we have to look out for is modulus, floor division and exponential. So basically modulus is used to find the remainder after the division of two numbers, as the division operators gives us the quotient, the modulus gives us the remainder. And then we have floor division, which rounds off the result down to the nearest whole number. For example, if the result of some operation is 5.7, after using floor division, the value gets rounded off to 5.0. And then at last we have exponential. The exponential operator is used to find the multipliers or powers. Now, let's see these operations on Thorny. I have declared two variables here, x with the value 6 and y with the value 3. First, we are going to do addition and print the result. In the print statement, I'm adding x and y and now running the code with the shortcut key F5. As we can see in the output screen, I've got the result 9. Now, the same process will be followed for all the operators. Now subtracting x and y, we get 3. Now multiplying x and y, we should get 18. Now running the code, and yeah, we got 18 over here. Now moving to the division operator. First, I'm going to divide x by y, and we've got the result 2.0 as the output. Now as you can see, the result is in float. To convert it into integer, we just have to add or write the int data type here, and now run the code. Boom, we got to here. Now here comes the modulus operator. Dividing x by y, we are dividing here x by y, but the only difference between the division operator and the modulus operator is that in the division operator we get the quotient as the result, and in the modulus operator we get remainder as a result. So if we're going to divide x with 3, we should get 0 as the remainder. Yep, and we got 0 over here, so it's also a right output. Now here we have the floor division operator. Here as you can see, I have declared a new variable z with the value 9. Sorry, with the value 4. Now first we will divide x by z and we'll print it. So as you can see, the result is 1.5. Now we are going to perform the floor division operator. Now we are going to perform the floor division operation over here, dividing x by z again, but using the floor division operator. Now in the code, Now we got one over here. The 0.5 has been rounded off. The last arithmetic operator is the exponentiation. Now in the print statement, we will write x exponent y, which is pronounced as x to the power y. Now we should get the result is 216 over here, as 6 to the power 3 is 6 into 6 into 6, basically multiplying 6 3 times. Now in the code we should get to 16. Yeah, we got to 16. Now we'll move on to the assignment operators. Now let's see assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. On the screen we can see 4 assignment operators: plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, and division equals. Now we also have 4 examples here: x plus equals y, which means that x is equals to x plus y, which basically means that x has the sum of x and y. The second operator means that x equals x minus y, which inherently means that x has the subtracted value of x and y. The third one means that x has the multiplied value of x and y, and the fourth one means that x has the divided value of x and y. Now let's see these operators on Thorny. Here I have declared 2 variables here. First x with the value 4 and second y with the value 2. Now since x plus equal y means x is equals to x plus y, so we'll try to print the result of x equal x plus y and then compare with the result of x plus equals y. Now x equals x plus y gives 6, and x plus equal y also gives 6. That means that both are same. Now let's see the operator minus equals to, with the variables x minus equals to y, of course. So x equals x minus y gives 2 here, and then x minus equals y also gives 2. So I guess we are finished here. Also, you can try other assignment operators and try to match the values on your own. We'll work on the assignment operators and all other operators too in the future videos. But first we will see what is comparison operators. Now we'll see comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values of the variables. We have a table on the screen consisting of 6 comparison operators. Let's go through them individually. We have double equal operator, which is known as equal operator. We have not equal operator, less than operator, greater than operator, less than or equal to operator, and greater than or equal to operator. And they are represented as follows. Now let's see the working of these operators on Thorny. I have declared 2 variables here, x with the value 5 and y with the value 6. Now we'll go through all of these operators individually. If the condition in the print statement is true, it will print as true, otherwise false. The first condition is x equals y. Let's print the statement, and it is false because x has the value 5 and y has the value 6 and they are not equal. Second, we have x not equals to y, and it should print true because x is not equal to y, and it has printed true. And we have x greater than y and x less than y, so it should print false and true. False and true it is. And now the fifth operator we have is x less than or equal to y. So 5 is less than or equal to 6, so it should print true here, and it has. And the last operator is x greater than or equal to y. So now since 5 is neither equal to nor greater than 6, so it should print false here. I also want to talk about one more thing here, the difference between single equal operator and double equal operator. Single equal operator is used to assign values to variables, while double equal operator is used to compare the values of the variables. Now we'll see the rest of the operators in the next video.